Hey there, I'm Chef Ani. So last night I was getting ready to film a video for you guys. There's a very big snowstorm with freezing rain and we lost all electricity at our house. So today's video is a little bit different. We are making vegan Parmesan potato wedges with creamy avocado dip. This is so delicious and a favorite at our house. So enough talking, let's get cooking. So we're going to start by cutting up a couple of potatoes. Sprinkle with olive oil and a little bit of salt. Next, we're going to add our vegan Parmesan. You can find the recipe on my website, link in the description. And bake at 400 degrees. In the meantime, we're going to make our avocado dip. One beautiful avocado, some fresh lime juice, salt, a little bit of jalapeno, a clove of garlic, and some crushed red pepper flakes. A little bit of almond milk to make this super creamy. Blend till smooth. Once our potato wedges have come out of the oven, sprinkle with some fresh herbs. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have a blessed New Year's, and I look forward to seeing you next Wednesday with another video.